Hey, my besties. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge is easy. 3 options, and you can get to choose whatever suits your personality vibe. Let's get going with it, shall we? Ready, set, go! First one, choose your phone edition. Don't forget to comment on all your answers below. Next up, choose your gaming room vibe. Would it be Zed style, Elsa style, or Moana style? Would you rather watch the original Zombies or the Zombies animated series? Both are amazing, right? Choose your headphone version. Choose the outfit for your pet. What would you do right here? Like the video for Zombies Sleepover or subscribe for Descendants Sleepover. Choose the best theme for your bedroom. Oh, here's a tough call. Save one song. Bam! Get your hands dirty or start of something new.
Oh man, you a fan, understand this is zombie.
Just jump head first into the mess. Gotta get your hands dirty. It's the start of something new.
Which anthem stays? Any AirPods case do you like here? Choose the most fashionable design for your pool. Choose your side. Are you a fan of the Descendants/Zombies series, or do you like the animated Disney more? Drop your vote below the comment right now. Choose between these 3 water houses. Which will be your homestay? Choose your PlayStation controller. Save one song. This Is Me, Someday, or Chillin' Like a Villain.
This is real. This is me. I'm exactly.
They laugh, we'll say, we're gonna be someday. This feeling, you'll be chillin', chillin'.
Oh man, how do you even pick? Choose your clock edition. Would it be Red, Cookie Monster, or Mario and Luigi? choose your jewelry type. Here's your first challenge. Save only one.
It's good to be back. And the proof of that used to be lost, never on. What's my name? What's my name? Say it louder. What's my name? Set it off. Go berserk. Tonight I'll light it up like fireworks. What we on tonight? Oh, we on.
Sound it and get on your feet. Let's set it off. Rock this beat. Dance to love.
Next question. Save one character. Phineas Flynn, Cricket Green, or Princess Sophia? Who's your favorite to save? What would your night lamp be? Choose it now. Can you see the odd Eevee in these? Ah, there she is. Music vibe. Choose the music studio you'd like. Choose your date mate. Spot the three differences within these two images. Yup, they're here. Which graffiti suits your personality? Pick one. Choose one of these three backpacks. Choose your main teacher. I like all of them. Would you rather have no more Disney tours in the future, or just like and subscribe to us? What is it? Comment below so we'll see your answers. Choose a favorite shirt to wear. Meal time. Choose your food, my friend. Yup, that's it. Do you think it was fun? Thanks for hanging out here, and please comment all your pics below. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Well then, until next time.